G'day, Scuddy here. Under normal circumstances, ECB and BOE rate decisions on the same day would create major event risk for FX. But on this occasion, it may be a little different. If you look at the correlation matrix on your screen, it's clear what's driving Euro US and sterling right now, and it is not interest rates. Over the past week, both have tracked crude inversely almost tick for tick. That's left both trading like an energy proxy, where moves in oil are dictating direction and everything else is taking a back seat. Even the relationship with equities is being pulled around by crude, with energy driving broader sentiment and taking some of the focus away from earnings. Front-end rate differentials, which would normally matter here, just aren't showing any consistent relationship. But while energy continues to dominate, it doesn't mean the rate decisions are meaningless. Far from it. See, while neither the ECB or BOE is expected to move today, markets are already hawkishly positioned with more than 3 hikes priced over the next year for both. That means they need to deliver at least a hawkish hold to keep that pricing intact. Because if they don't, there's a risk the trapdoor will open beneath the euro and pound. In this environment, strong energy prices are feeding into inflation expectations and supporting the US dollar via terms of trade. So if the central bank fails to validate what's priced, you've got a setup where Euro US and sterling could come under renewed downside pressure very quickly. So what should you look out for? For the ECB, it's the tone from Christine Lagarde, especially around whether the decision was unanimous and if there's any indication of a push to hike within the governing council. For the BOE, the vote split will be key, with multiple dissents in favour of a hike helping to validate what's already priced, along with how hawkish the updated forecasts look. And that's the key point to remember. Even with 2 major central bank decisions on deck, the dominant driver right now remains energy. If that continues, it's likely to matter more than anything the ECB or BOE says today over the medium to longer term.